Everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the Get Ready With Me video, so let's jump right into it. Per usual, I'm starting with my brows and eyelids prepped, and I'm going in with this ColourPop eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that as my transition color, and everything that I used will be listed down below in the description box. And I'm going to go into my Kat Von D Monarch palette and use this orange color here. I used to love this color when this palette first dropped. So yeah, I decided to reach forward, and I'm just going to apply that and build that into my crease. Moving right along, I'm going to go into my Lorac Unzipped palette, and I'm going to use this brown color here. And I was going for a smoky eye look, so I'm applying that into my in the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just going to lay that as my first color for this smoky eye and kind of blend it towards the center. Now going back into that Kat Von D palette, I'm going to use this deep chocolate brown, and I'm going to start applying that into my outer V. And the trick with smoky eyes is that you want to kind of start with a lighter brown and just kind of build it up into like a black. At least that's what I like to do. So I added that first brown, and now I'm going in with a deeper brown and blending everything out. And with building your eyeshadow looks, especially with dark colors, you always want to make sure you go back in with your crease and transition color and blend those colors out. And lastly, I'm going to go in with this black eyeshadow in that Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to apply that mainly to my outer crease and just my outer V area in general, I guess. And I'm just applying that just to deepen the look a little more. And now I'm going to do a half cut crease. I have been really practicing on my cut creases. You guys make this look so easy here on YouTube, but I'm like determined to get these down, and I will say that I am getting better. So right now I'm cutting my crease with a concealer, and shout out to Leora Maybe. In my previous Get Ready With Me video, I had set my concealer when I was doing sort of a cut crease look, and she told me not to set my concealer, and that way when I apply my eyeshadow over that concealer, it will stick to it. So that's what I did in this video, and soon you guys will see which color I apply over this concealer for this cut crease look. So I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Solar Flare palette, and I'm going to use this deep bronze color here at the bottom, and I'm just going to apply that all over the areas where I applied the concealer for the cut crease. And I will say, thanks to Leora, this trick worked a lot better when I didn't cut my crease. Like, I was really proud of myself, and I don't know if my camera picked it up as well, but in person, like, this shadow looked really, really pretty on the lid. And then lastly, I'm just going to go back in with one of those dark brown shades I used earlier and just kind of blend out the area where the shimmer and the black meets, just so that it blends more seamlessly. And then I applied some liner and lashes off camera. Now moving on to my face, I'm going to start with priming my face with my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. I will say that my face routine hasn't changed much in like literally probably, I don't know, it's been the same for a while. So everything I use will be listed down below. I'm still going to talk it out just because I have gotten new subscribers and just in case you guys are interested. So for my face, I'm using the Loreal Pro Matte Concealer Foundation in the color Cocoa, and I'm just blending that out with a damp beauty sponge. I have a really hard time like trying new face products because I'm the type of person, when I find something that works for me, I just feel like if it's not broke, why should I fix it? So yeah, but I am gonna probably purchase some new things soon just because I'm getting kind of bored with the products that I have. Now going on to my concealer, I am using my MAC Pro Longwear concealer and this is in C45. Now I do kind of switch up concealers here and there just kind of based on what I have. This concealer that I'm using is one of my go-tos. Like this concealer always does me right. It stays put. It's just like an OG, you know, staple concealer that I feel like everyone should have in their makeup collection. But yeah, I'm applying that and then blending that out with a smaller damp beauty sponge. And then to set everything, I'm using my Mercier translucent setting powder in the medium deep color. And then to contour, I'm going to be using this black Radiance contour palette. I normally just bronze, but I wanted to be a little extra snatched this night. So after I apply that, I'm going to go in with my leftover powder and just kind of clean up that contour a bit more to make it a little more sharp. And to set my face, I'm using my Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC Cosmetics. And for blush, I'm going to use this Sigma Rosa de something like that, but again, it'll be down in the description box. And then to highlight, I'm using this old Nars duo highlighter that I used to use a long time ago. I hadn't used it in a while, decided to pull it out, but it's in the color Jubilation, something like that. And last but not least, I'm going to set my face with the Milani setting spray. Now moving on to hair. This is actually an old unit that's been kind of revamped. I did a video on it, on this revamped look a couple months ago. It's a natural wavy texture and I used to wear it as a sew-in, but I created a unit and then I used a straight closure at the top because I didn't have a closure to match the bundles. So I kind of like it in this messy look, and to get my closure to blend with the rest of the hair, I just go in with the curling iron and just do random wand curls, and then I finger comb them out and just to give it a fuller, messier look. And I really love this look on me. I get a lot of compliments with my hair like this. So yeah, I used to shy away from like messy bobs, but you know, this may be my new go-to because every time I put on this wig, I'm like, why don't I wear this wig more often? So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, just adding random wand curls to this unit. So if you guys don't know, I have been relaxer free for a little over a year now, and I big chopped at the end of last year. So I don't like to leave a lot of my edges out, and to combat that kind of thinness at my hairline, since I don't have a lot of my hair out, I do use a colored edge control. And in my opinion, this just kind of makes my edges look a little fuller right where that closure lays, and just helps it blend a little better in my opinion. So that's what I'm doing here now, just kind of laying my edges and getting my wig to lay how I like it. To finish this look off, I'm going to apply my favorite deep brown lip liner. This is a cheapy lip liner. I think it's NYC, like $1 lip liner. And then I'm going to use NYX Butter Gloss in the color Gingersnap, and it's just kind of like this brown gingery lip gloss, and I love this. It's so comfortable to wear, and it lasts a long time, and also moisturizes my lips at the same time. And then to top it off, I'm also using another cheapy random lip gloss that I've had for a while that I picked up. I don't know where I got this, but it's some random cheapy glittery gloss that I'm popping on top. And that is it, guys. I loved this look. I wanted to film like a full video of my outfit, but if you watch my vlogs, then you will know that me and my friends are never on time, because I actually did go out this night and I didn't have a chance to film my actual outfit portion. So I did insert a few clips from my phone and boomerangs and stuff like that. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.